Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Roblox pass update failed. So the pass update failed error usually pops up because your pass is still under review by Roblox. There's nothing you really need to do except wait for the review process to complete. But there are some steps that you can take, like make sure your pass is active. So go to your Roblox account and activate the pass from your dashboard. And make sure your pass is active. Once activated, your pass goes through a review process. This normally takes about 10 to 15 minutes, but it can take up to 3 days. Just be patient and keep an eye on it. Also, you'll have to ensure that your pass meets Roblox community guidelines. If it does, your pass will be approved and the error message will disappear. That's it. Just wait for the review process to complete and your pass will be updated. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.